The thermostat on the 1.5 TDCi in the Fiesta is located down here. Now, it does look a little tricky to change, but it really isn't all that bad. The main thing is making some space so we can get to it. So, by removing the airbox first, there's just one Jubilee clip here to loosen, and then if you release the multi-plug on the mass airflow sensor, and then the airbox will lift out. It is on rubber bushings, so it might be tight lifting upwards, but it will come out with a little bit of force. And then we can get on with removing the battery. Really simple, just a couple of 10mm on the terminals, the top bracket, and the little clamp that goes around the front. Then this will simply lift out. The battery carrier also needs removing, another couple of 10mm at the bottom, and then you'll notice that the ECU is fastened to the side of the battery carrier, which there are 2 bolts at the side, and then underneath you will find another couple of screws fastening this on. Then the carrier should just lift away, and then you should see that you've got plenty of space to get to the thermostat housing. With all the hoses visible now, we can, with some decent slip joint pliers, start to unclip the hoses and remove them from the thermostat housing. If you'll take notice of the clips, they will actually lock into position. Just slide them down the pipe out of the way, and then twist the pipes, and then they should just release and then lift away like so. Push the little tab in on the multi-plug seen here to release the lock mechanism. The very small hose at the top, this just squeezes together and then will slide off. The hose sits inside and clamps on the outer edge, which you can see here. And don't miss this hose right at the back that you can just see now. And all that remains now is the 4 8mm bolts that hold the thermostat housing to the cylinder head. I've tried to film them here, which you can maybe just see that one there. If you use a quarter drive set, you should pretty much be able to get on these quite easily. And that's it. The moment of truth. There's a little tug and it should just come away nice and easily. Remove the old gasket and give it a real good clean, and then we're ready for the new replacement thermostat. And all that's left to do now is build it up in reverse order, refill with antifreeze, and check for leaks. It may just be worth noting these are common for leaking on the gasket seal. This may be the reason you're changing your thermostat housing. And here we are, good to go, with no leaks or issues. So, I hope this video has given you the confidence to do this job yourself. If you have any questions, leave us a comment and I will do my very best to help. So, thanks for watching. This has been How to Fix It, and if you want to see some more great TDCi videos, why not check out these videos right now.